Amazon Prime gives you access to a feature that most people have never heard of. It allows you to set up an automatic buyer. You tell Amazon exactly which products you want, and then the next time that product comes in stock, Amazon will purchase it for you, and completely free as long as you have an Amazon Prime membership. With the 30th anniversary drop later this year, is Amazon's auto buy feature actually going to be enough to secure that product, or is it going to let you down the moment that it matters? Amazon auto buy is a native feature inside Amazon's website and marketplace for US customers. Find a product that you want, you set your parameters like maximum price, how many you want. You can set up unlimited auto buys, but you are limited to one auto buy per product. When the product comes in stock and it meets your parameters, Amazon will purchase that product with your card details, with your saved information in your account. It does the same thing as a bot does, so let me show you exactly how you can set this up for Pokemon's 30th anniversary. So first things first, we need an Amazon Prime account. We need to log in, and then we need to come over to Amazon's website. For this, we're obviously going to be talking specifically about Pokemon's 30th anniversary. So in the description of this video, you'll find all of the links for Pokemon's 30th anniversary on Amazon. So we're going to come over here, and as you can see in the top right here, we've got currently unavailable, and underneath that it says add to auto buy. So what we're going to do there is we're going to click add to auto buy, and then you'll see this page comes up. The first thing we need to do is come over here to where it says account settings, and we need to click on set up your Amazon purchase preferences. Head over to this page, the purchase preferences page, and then come over to set your default purchase preference if you haven't done this already. So I'm going to click update preference. We're going to basically come in here, we're going to click make default, and then boom, there we go, all done. We are sorted. So we come back over to Amazon. If we refresh the page now, we can see now that error box has gone. So the first thing we're going to select is action auto purchase. We're going to select our max price. In the description of this video, you will also find all of the retail prices. I recommend you probably should go a little bit above the retail price on these, because ultimately you don't know what price Amazon is actually going to sell these for. So we'll basically come in here, we'll come over here, and we're going to put on the UPC. We're going to put 200, and then quantity. You can select whatever quantity you want. We're going to put this on 1. I'd suggest probably leave this on 1 because the purchase limit is no doubt probably going to be 1. Start date is today, end date 1 year from now. Very simple stuff. You can also select reorder as well. So if after you've auto bought once, you can auto buy again, so you can check that on. And then you can put wait 1 week in between orders if you want the lowest amount of time. And then basically seller. Now for seller, you basically want to do sold and shipped by Amazon. Amazon will be selling Pokemon's 30th anniversary themselves. For those of you who don't know, Amazon is a marketplace. You watching this video could go and sign up for an Amazon seller account. You could then start selling Pokemon on Amazon for whatever price you wanted to. So ultimately, what we're going to do is we only want to buy from Amazon. Once you've done that, it is that simple. You just click create auto purchase, and bada bing, bada boom, it is that simple. If you want to do this for another product, just head over to the ETB page, do the same thing over and over again. Like I said, the links and all the prices are going to be in the description of this video. But now let me tell you, Amazon auto buy probably isn't the right solution for Pokemon's 30th anniversary. There are 3 fundamental problems when using Amazon auto buy on really highly demanded products like Pokemon's 30th anniversary. Problem number 1 is speed. Pokemon's 30th anniversary is one of the most highly demanded drops of all time. That then causes a problem, because you first got to think the speed at which Amazon's auto buy runs is not the same speed at which an automated checkout third-party bot would run, like Stellar or Refract or anything like that. They are on the website, they are monitoring for it the second it comes in stock, they are trying to purchase, they're going through the checkout as fast as possible. Amazon's auto buy, because it's made by Amazon, doesn't work like that. Amazon auto buy works the best when the products are in stock for a few minutes. For Pokemon's 30th anniversary, if it sells out in matters of seconds, Amazon's auto buy will not be effective whatsoever. Problem number 2 is you only get 1 chance for your Prime account. You can only set up 1 auto buy on 1 product. If you compare this to normal standard third-party bots, you could have 30 tasks running, all trying to buy that 1 product for you, which ultimately increases their chances of getting products. Amazon's auto buy doesn't actually work like that. And problem number 3 is the selection problem. 50,000 people have got auto buy set up for Pokemon's 30th anniversary ETB. B, Amazon only have 5,000 available. Amazon at that point is going to be using a decision manager. So not just going to put all their auto buyers up against each other and like overload the servers for no reason. They're just going to decide who we're going to let buy and who we're not going to let buy. It is essentially, more than likely, a lottery system on Amazon's website. When a certain amount of products get loaded, if the parameters are met, they're then going to decide who is getting it and who is not getting it. It's not going to be a race against time like the bots out there. The bots are actively competing against each other. There are things in the bot that can make your bot faster than someone else's bot. Things like having more tasks, having faster proxies than other people. Your proxies might be 100 ms, but another person's proxies might be 1,000 ms. So in theory, it's almost 10 times slower. So the bots ultimately have this edge over auto buy and over other people running bots to allow them to actually be the ones to make the purchase. But that doesn't mean that Amazon's auto buy is just completely irrelevant. So here is an honest comparison. Amazon auto buy is free with a Prime membership, which most people have. It requires no technical setup. It requires no proxies to run the Amazon auto buy. Amazon run it themselves. And ultimately, you don't need to purchase any bot to get this running. You just need an Amazon Prime account. It is that simple. Whereas if you compare it to a normal bot, you can have multiple tasks. So in theory, multiple people trying to check out for you at the same time, increasing your chances faster than Amazon auto buy. The second stock goes live, your bot can start checking out at that point. You're in control of the amount of tasks that you run in, the amount you get in, and the speed. And ultimately, it is going to be your best chance on a flash drop. However, the bot being the better option with the increased chances of getting it, that obviously comes with costs, it comes with technical know-how, but ultimately, the bot will always be better than Amazon's auto buy. And if you need guidance with bots, you need to know what proxies to buy, you've never ran a bot before, you want walkthroughs on how to set your bot up, you want one-to-one support with botting experts, all of that stuff, there is a botting mentorship in the description of this video, and that can help you get set up with botting. But anyway, to round up the whole video, here is my actual verdict. You have nothing to lose. There is no con reason why not to set up Amazon's auto buy. It's just a question of, is that going to give me a real chance at getting it? And probably I would say it is on the lower end. But if you want the real chance, you need to think about using an actual first come first serve bot. Do not rely on Amazon's auto buy solely. And if you want guidance on how to use a bot, how to get it set up, what bots are good, what bots are bad, so just navigate that minefield of actually botting to get Pokemon at MSRP, then click the link below, speak to our team about our botting mentorship. There's a chance that it could be a very good fit for you. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see everybody in the next video.